Okay, in this video I'm going to answer a question that came in 2022 external, and this is the question on geometric. The question C1 was as follows: use geometrical instrument to construct triangle ABC in which AB is equal to 7 centimeter and angle BAC is equal to angle ABC, which is equal to 60 degrees. So there are two angles there that are equal. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a line here. Okay, we are going to draw a line here which is 7 centimeter long. So I'm going to put my pencil here and draw a line up to 7 centimeter like that. Okay, so basically sometimes the line can be longer than the way it should be, but that's what you need to do. You just draw the line. Let me just put my ruler a bit up here. Maybe I draw the triangle up here because I know there are some arcs that I need to make down below here, which I want you to see as I construct them. Okay, so I'm going to put it here like this. Okay, so next once I've drawn the lines, next I'm going to go to the next one to construct the angles that are 60 degrees. So here I should construct the angles, and here I should construct a angle, and here I should construct a angle. Before I go ahead, let me name this part. So I have got the part which is A, and we have got the line with the point which is B. Okay, so these are the points of this line. So first I'm going to start by constructing the angle which is BAC. So the angle that should be here, which is equal to 60 degrees. So I'm going to get my compass here just the way it is. So I'm going to maintain the length 1.5. Then I'm going to draw the arc here. Okay, I'm going to draw the arc like this. Then once I've drawn the arc like that, then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my compass again here on the mid of this line. Okay, like that. Then I'm going to draw the arc here again. So I'll draw a arc like that. Then once I've drawn the arc like that, I'm going to get my ruler and draw a line that will stand for the angle. Okay, like that. So I'm going to put my line there. Okay, like that. Then I'm going to draw a line. Okay, so the line will be longer because we don't know the length of the line BC. We don't know the length of the line, AC, the line AC. We don't know the length of the line AC. So it will be longer. Okay, it should be just as long as possible. So once I've done that, I'm going to get my compass again and come here and then draw the arc again. Okay, so I'll come on this point, make sure I put it on the edge. For you, when you're using the actual compass and ruler, you make sure that you prick the paper with a metal arm. You prick the paper. Okay, so what we're going to do is now we are going to do the same thing we did since we are constructing 60 degrees also here. So we're going to put it here and then try to come up with a arc here. Okay, like that. Okay, so we come up with the arc like that. Then so I'm going to draw the line. So like I said earlier on, your line should be as long as possible so that the line, these they can close each other. So okay, Okay, now that point is going to be called, this is AB, so that will be called C. This is point C. So this is C, this is the point C, which I'm going to put down there. Okay, now I have constructed a triangle which is an isosceles triangle which has two base angles that are equal. That means this length, the length of CB and CA are equal. This is an isosceles triangle because it's the one which has the base angles that are equal. Now we come to question C2, which is construct a perpendicular bisector of AB to intersect the side AB at X. Okay, so this is AB. We're going to get the compass and put the metal arm here. Okay, then we can come up with any length as long as it's longer than half of the line AB. Okay, the key thing is that the width of the metal bar, or the width of the arms of the compass, should be longer than the line AB. So which is already, you can see just by looking that this is longer than half of this line. This is longer than half of this line. So the width of the compass should be longer than half of the line AB. Okay, which we have done. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to come up with the arcs that are going to help us to construct a perpendicular bisector of AB. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw simple arcs here. Let me make sure that they are a bit longer so that when we are trying to intersect them, it should be able to intersect those lines without difficulties. Okay, so again we draw like that. Then what we're going to do now, we're going to change the points. So we're going to go on B and we are going to put the metal arm on B, maintaining the same width of the arms. Don't change the width of the arms, you maintain them. Okay, so again we draw the arc here, and once we have done that, we come also this side. Okay, we draw the arc like that. Okay, now once we have done this, the next thing we're going to do is now join the intersection of these arcs. So we're going to join this. Okay, we draw the line like that, the way I've drawn. Okay, so we are told that we construct a perpendicular bisector of AB to intersect the side AB at X. Okay, to intersect the line AB at X. So where here we're going to write X. Okay, this point is going to be called X. Okay, it's going to be called X. Then we come to the next point, which we have. Okay, so we are told to construct perpendicular bisector of AB to intersect the line AB at X. Okay, we have done that. We come to question 3, which is construct the bisector of angle ABC. So here angle ABC to intersect the side AC at Y. Okay, so what we're going to do here now is we're going to construct the bisector. So meaning we're going to divide this angle into 2. So you and me, we remember that we got this one. The angle we found, we have constructed, the angle we have constructed is 60 degrees, which is also, this one is also 60 degrees. Okay, now what we need to do is to bisect this angle. Okay, so what I can encourage you to do is, one, you can construct an independent arc that cuts across the line BC and the line AB. So what we can do now here is we put the compass here. Okay, we put the compass here. Okay, we put the compass here and then construct something. Now I'm going to use a different line. So I would encourage you to construct a different arc, or you can use the same arc we used when you're constructing the angle, which is not very advisable because there is already another arc that is crossing already there, so it might be difficult for you to determine the middle part. So constructing a new one would be a good idea. Okay, so you do like that, or yeah, then when you draw that, then you get the compass. Remember, we are trying to bisect angle ABC. So what we're going to do now, we are going to draw the arcs here again. We're going to draw the arcs here. So I'm going to do this. Okay. Once I have drawn the first arc, I'll draw the second one to bisect. Okay. So I'm going to draw the second one to come up with the intersection. Okay, now I have come up with the intersection of this angle. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get my ruler and draw a line that will cut this angle we found, which is 60 degrees on the middle. Okay, so what I'll do like this. So we draw the line like that. Now once we've drawn the line like that, the next thing is it's telling us that where this line is passing we should call it y. So we are going to write y on where x is meeting. We are going to write it y where it's meeting that. Okay, now once we have done that, so we have constructed the lines and we have identified where these lines are intersecting the sides of these triangles, of this triangle. Yes, we have identified where these lines, the bisectors, where they're intersecting with the lines, the sides of the triangles. So now what we can do now is we are done with question C 1, 2, and 3. The one which is remaining is C. Question 4, C4, which is measure and write the length of XY. So the length of XY, so what we can do now is if we want to measure the length of XY, so what we're going to do is we are going to draw a line. We are going to draw a line from Y to X, okay, which is like that. So what we can do is we draw the line from X to Y like that. Okay, so we draw a line from X to Y. I'm going to use a different color so that it's easier for us to identify the line. So this is the line X to Y. It's up to this length. Okay, so let's measure the length of X to Y. So the length of X to Y is okay, so when we look at this length, you see that it's 3.5. So we have got 0, 1, 2, 3. So that is 3.5. So our answer here will be 3.5. Okay, our answer will be 3.5. So 3.5 centimeter is the length of the line XY. Okay, so basically this is how we are supposed to answer this question. If you have got questions, you can ask in the comment section. Otherwise, basically this is how you go about this question. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, we invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you find this video helpful, remember to like and share with your friends. Thank you so much and may God bless you.